We in the hood, guys. In the 8 motherfucking TA. Thrift stores and shit. Cities down there. That's the L, yeah. Why they're L? They probably don't. Oh, I should have different. That's what I said. We should have been had the radio on, dog. Cause they probably got all kinds of different shit. Yeah, something over there. I know, another family. Nigga, we about to go to a family reunion.
What you gonna say about me?
You our cousin, bitch. We lit. You our cousin from Aunt Nisha. Bitch, you know how my grandpa white for real, bitch. He full-blooded Irish. I'm serious as shit. You just can't tell, nigga. You ain't never see my brother Reese kid, nigga? All them bitches got blue eyes.
Yeah,
green and all that.
Gotta turn back around, make that right.
Church, girl. You can't go to church, stay up a lot.
Turn back around.
I got a beer in my... He gonna say, let's go to church. Yo, yeah, that's the hood, though. Look how that cruise and shit.
Bitch fat though.
Yo, I really would move to Georgia.
Yeah, I'm gonna move too.
Left. Use that word.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
Yo, stop, man. Y'all niggas ignorant.
Yo, but that's how they like shit. I'm telling you, yo, because when we was in the store, they was just busting up fucking with us. That's what I'm saying. You gotta be outgoing. Yeah. You gotta just, that's how they like it. Just bust it the fuck up with them and just be normal.
Yo, I was in Fayetteville, niggas. My mom and them.
This nigga started talking country to him and shit. I was cracking the fuck up. Yo, this nigga started talking country. I can't remember what the fuck he said.
He said some shit was funny as shit.
Y'all bitches crazy, dog. But that's how you gotta be. You gotta be outgoing, nigga. That's how you have fun. That's why I said I had to get a beer today, so at least I can say something.
Remember that big meat came when the lady put that big ass meat down?
Yeah, we in the hood.
So what else? A cow back or something? He said it's a cow back.
It's like this big dog, like that thick.
She said, no, that's the pig back. They about to go throw that
shit
whole.
Proud and shit too.
Yeah, they about to go through that whole.
Proud.
Hell yeah, this something called me.
This the real hood, nigga. We in the real hood.